Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, where history rolls on four wheels. Today, we're rewinding the clock to explore a true underdog of American motoring history, the 1964 AMC Rambler. A car that might not scream muscle, but quietly earned a reputation for practicality, innovation, and value. Let's dive into why the 1964 Rambler still deserves respect. Exterior. The 1964 Rambler was compact by American standards, but don't let the size fool you. With sharp, clean lines and minimalist chrome accents, it struck a balance between utilitarian and stylish. The squared-off fenders, modest grille, and wraparound windshield gave it a clean, mid-century modern vibe. AMC offered several versions in '64, including the American, Classic, and Ambassador, with the Rambler Classic being the sweet spot for many buyers. Two-door, four-door, and wagon body styles were available, all of which showcased the no-nonsense design that defined AMC's strategy. Interior. Inside, the Rambler was a revelation in economy car comfort. The cabin was surprisingly spacious, with upright seats that provided a commanding view of the road. Depending on trim, you got vinyl or cloth upholstery, and AMC even offered reclining front seats, a rarity at the time. The dashboard was simple but functional. Large dials, minimal distraction. Optional features included push-button AM radio, heater, and even air conditioning in higher trims. Again, impressive for a budget-conscious car in 1964. Performance. Under the hood, the Rambler Classic offered a choice of a 3.2 line E6 or a 4.7 V8 in the 770 models. The six-cylinder engine produced around 125 horsepower, enough for daily driving, while the V8 gave it some real muscle when needed. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual, 3-speed automatic, and the rare twin-stick overdrive manual, giving drivers a bit more engagement behind the wheel. Suspension was soft, tuned for comfort rather than sharp handling, but it handled American roads with ease. Fuel economy was a key selling point. In an era of gas-guzzling giants, the Rambler's modest appetite made it a favorite among practical buyers and families. The 1964 AMC Rambler wasn't built to dominate drag strips or win design awards, it was built to work, last, and save. And in that mission, it succeeded. Named Motor Trend's Car of the Year in 1963, the Rambler carried that momentum into 1964 with confidence and class. So if you're a fan of reliable classics with understated charm, the '64 Rambler might just win your heart. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury 295. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite forgotten classic?